Oh my goodness, guys, this is how the route is. Take some photo shoot. Coming in sunset. And we are walking along this road. Hi guys, once again welcome back to our vlog, and now we are heading to one so-called navigator 180, and we are going in 180. Let me show you. Yes, and we have set off 9 people around us. Small 2 minutes break, and another 10 kilometers are there. Guys, we have come to one waterfalls. The name of the waterfalls is RajaRani Waterfall. We'll call as Pandar Dhodh. And here I have come with my colleagues, and they have something to tell you guys. You are saying something? Please subscribe to Anand's channel. Today
will be the last day you visit this channel.
So let me show you. So we have to trek almost 3 to 4 kilometers. And this is how the road looks like. It's a dense forest, guys. And we have Abraham here, and we have Joyo, and we have Samuel, and we have Philippus, and we have John Wesly, and at last we have our bosses. Guys, I have marked this place on my Apple Watch, and this is where he left Dardi, and now we are heading to the falls. Oh my goodness, guys. This is how the route is. We have just started trekking, and recently one of my brother asked me what is between trekking and hiking. There's a unique 2 differences are there. Okay, let me ask some of my colleagues whether they know the difference. Say hi. Let me start asking question first to Anand sir. What is between hiking and trekking? Okay, let me ask to Philippus. Philippus, what is the difference between hiking and trekking?
When we reach, I'll answer that question.
Okay, next try. Difference between hiking and trekking.
Hiking is where you will climb steep mountains. Trekking is where you will go inside the jungle and climb all different kinds of.
That's a wrong answer, sir. Sorry. Toto, what is between hiking and trekking? Joyo, sir.
I have no answer, sir.
Abraham.
Trekking is walking in the jungle.
Sorry, Baijan, that's the wrong answer. There's only little tiny difference. Okay, hiking is just going long way. Trekking means going for a short distance. Guys, see this route.
Wow.
What? Crab, huh? Okay, guys, let me pause the camera. We have come a little bit above the ground level, and we have still more climbing. This is the way we have to walk. Guys, it's raining, and we have halt for 2 minutes. This is the route of Purna Wildlife Sanctuary we are in right now, and this is how the route goes. And that's our guide. One of the fascinating adventure. Guys, look at the scenery. We have crossed one more hill coming down, and he's showing us the path. I will show you how dense it is. That's what I'm saying. Just now we finished seeing monkey, and it's a wild monkey. Guys, after a long way, I think we have reached. You can see a falls over there. Let me show you guys. See how dense it is behind me. Let me flip the camera. Can you see, guys? Oh, भैया नीचे कैसे जाता है? नीचे तो वो नीचे का रास्ता वो दूसरा है इधर कैसे जाएगा नीचे? वो नीचे वाले रास्ते में वो इधर से रास्ता उससे घूम के Finally we have reached. Oh, direct shower for him. And this is our guide. And Vasu is going to fall and show us the way path.
भाई आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो? खेत में पानी डाल रहे हो? इस बॉडी ले जाएगा नीचे?
That is 2 inch का होगा. हाँ कोई बात नहीं. क्या कम हुए थे ये वाला गेट तो ना कुछ क्या कुछ बोलना है. वो पहाड़ के नीचे घूमने का मजा आता है. हाँ. हम ना आता इधर तो काले
पूरा घूम के
इधर में किधर नहीं जाता हम.
Okay.
See, money speaks everywhere, bro.
Oh, we gave him.
Yeah. Anand sir, how do you feel about this falls?
Like this, I feel.
नंगा पुंगा आशिक चड्डी नहीं पहने हैं नीचे नहीं करेंगे.
We have come finally, but now we are heading towards the down. We are on the top of the hill. He is guiding us still. Thanks to him. His name is Suresh Bhai. He's from this place.
Hello, let's take a photo first.
Yes. There's one more river kind of thing going and falling around. There's one more I have showed you, right? Close up. This is a long shot. He's taking us down like this so that we can head over there. This is the way we have come.
We are heading down towards there. Let's take photo ले लो guys. Okay. Good. Wow.
Behind me there is one falls which I have shown from other side of the mountain, and this is how it's coming from.
Guys, this stick is floating, guys.
We have come all the way from there, crossed that
He's
falls,
calling us.
and
आजा.
here, and we have come. Now we are heading this way to go niche, to go down. How far they are going down? Still here, and this guy is here still. This is what the route is all about, and we are coming down, and this is where we did some photo shoot. That's other falls we have crossed. Now we are going down. We have to go one semicircle like this, then we will reach. Guys, we need to walk still more, and John Wesly is standing there. If you want to explore the Adventurous, you should visit RajaRani Falls. See, people have started taking selfies. This is RajaRani Falls. more route, guys. There, that side. And already they have reached. Now we will go there. Now in front of me is the falls. The height of falls maybe at least 100 meters. I'm not sure how long it is, but so nice. Here is like swimming. We have finished, watching ourselves. It was a wonderful experience, and you guys have to experience if you are in Gujarat and around Yara. Okay. Now we have to go back down and there, and that's an exit. And I have given in my Apple Watch the exit point, so we can follow that. Pass, and we have other 4 people ready to go. Here we go. Yeah. Bye bye. Guys, when we reached there, our guide left us and went, and he told it in their language, I'll come in half an hour. And we thought he didn't turn up, so we climbed up the way we came. But now suddenly he has come and he's calling us. We are going in a different route. Can you see him? Guys, we have come more ahead of falls. We are heading to the way to exit this forest. Guys, how steep it is, how narrow it is. मजा आया. धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया सुरेश भाई. बारिश का वजन है, बहुत मजा आया. Then we are Joyo coming in shortcut. These people came in shortcut here. And we are walking along with the river here. Okay, wow. Guys, this is the route we are going in different way. While coming, we came in the different way. While going, we are going in a different way.
This way is very dangerous.
If you are around Gujarat, you must visit this
Place.
RajaRani
Falls. But please take a guide with you.
Now,
Or
the
else
most
you'll
important
suffer.
is thank you, Wesly, the man who's taking this video. Cameraman, please take a guide with you. If not, you are gone. You're lost. Guide is much the local guide. And you can give some 100, 150 rupees for them. Guys, you are bamboo shoots. People are hunting for it.
Then that one will go. That's the cross now. That one only. Yeah. Only we have changed the.
Hello guys. Yes guys. Guys. One more river. Again. Fresh by guys.
Someone glasses for.
And we'll take a selfie now. Okay. Let's go guys.
This is good. Watana.
You know the interesting fact about this Tapi forest is nothing but the Saurashtra, which is called North Gujarat, is full of dry because Rajasthan is connected. And here, south side of Gujarat is full of greenery. And what we have studied in our social science when we are small, Gujarat has a lot of earthquake ratio more in Gujarat. But after coming here, I have experienced there is nothing such like that. Enjoy life. Cheers. Oh. Guys, still we have to go more. Coming from there and going towards like an L shape, like a zigzag there and an L shape. Green, everywhere green with Wesly, and they have already reached there. Can you guys see? We are too far. My chappal got stuck inside the mud. Just walking slow. We have come all the way from there. And the river is following us. And we have taken a small mini halt. See, Mr. Metas. This is Gandhiji of Metas. Let's take the depth first. Okay.
Kuchia.
Wesly and I got lost. None of us are around us, and we don't know how to go. And we are just, seeing the map. Wesly is seeing the map. So we will.
Because
They're not sounding back, replaying. Guys, we are just taking a rest, and we are all eating paspas. And see,
especially this guy, study range Pfizer.
we got lost.
Tell it's not a sponsored video. They'll tell pass sponsor kiya इनको.
It's not a sponsor video, by the way, guys. And see, that's all. When you eat paspas, you'll act like that. Finally, we have met our gang. They were waiting for us here on the road they were sitting. And Now we are walking back again. Now we have another half a kilometer to reach our destination. I mean the village, nearby village. From there, we'll get to the car. I mean our car. We'll get in and go. We have come all the way from this field. Now we have reached the road, main road. We have to walk and go to the car. Finally, we have reached the car. Everybody's exhausted. Successfully done our trip to RajaRani Falls. Now let's ask to them. Any two words, only two words about this falls.
Amazing.
Outstanding.
Must try.
Must try, yeah? Was sir, any two words about this fall?
You should try once in lifetime.
Okay, and one more.
And lifelong learn.
Guys, whoever is coming here near this RajaRani Falls, you should have one guide, a local guide. That is very, very must.
And come in the morning.
Yes. Chotu, Kake, Abraham, it's your turn. Beautiful. Okay. Okay. See you guys. Until then, bye bye.